Hello everyone, this is Lady T here. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I am participating in a spring coffee beverage bar collaboration, and our gracious host is Kimberly from A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis, and our co-host is Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. Now, these lovely ladies' links will be listed below in the description box, and we want you to go and check their channels out. They have some awesome, great content, and I believe that you will be pleased. And also, we want you to check out the playlist for today. Don't forget to go to the description box and check them out below. So guys, if you need some inspiration to create a spring coffee bar station, stay tuned. So guys, we were just simply asked to, decorate our station with a spring theme. And so today I'm going to be sharing my creation with you all. I kept it pretty simple, didn't want to have too much clutter. So this is not going to be, a lot of items on the countertop. So guys, when I do these videos, I like to share with you something that I love. And one of the things I love is tea. And I tried this product, and it's called Tiesta Tea. I happened to find this on Facebook and thought I would try it out. And so if you like loose tea, then this is the product for you. It also came with a brewmaster, and what this does is it's a pretty innovative technology making brewing loose tea simple and exciting. Just scoop your tea, add hot water, steep, and place on your mug. The brewmaster releases your tea into the mug while holding on to all of the tea leaves. The added bonus is it is microwave safe and dishwasher friendly, so no other tea infuser can compare to the experience and ease of this brew master. And I have to tell you also that the tea is delicious. It is very aromatic, very tasty, and I think that you would really, really love this tea. So, and no, this is not a sponsored item, but I just thought I would share this with you because I enjoyed so very much. So you guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping in to visit and to watch this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it and you are inspired to create your own coffee beverage bar station. So if you have enjoyed this video, I would suggest that you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell twice so that you are notified when I upload every video. I just wanted to let you know that I post every Tuesday with a Tablescape, and then I post during the week when I have other content. So I look forward to seeing you again, and I hope that you have a wonderful week.